Okay, so we want to solve the equation 5 over 4 is equal to y minus 1/4. Okay, so to get y by itself, we need to check to see what's happening around y to isolate the variable. So because we see y is being subtracted by 1/4, what we can do is we can then add 1/4 to this side, and we can add 1/4 to this side. That cancels out this minus 1/4, and it keeps our equation balanced. So 5/4 plus 1 is 6/4, which is equal to y, because y is the only thing that's left over on this side. So we should see that our answer is equal to 6 over 4y. I'm assuming we probably need to simplify. Let's just check though. So we check our answer. Nope. Okay. So we do need to simplify. So we are going to simplify this. The way that we're going to simplify this, so we see they're both even, so we divide both by 2. So it's 3 over 2 is equal to y. So let's check that. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Checking our answer, and we're good. Now, because a lot of us are not comfortable with fractions, if we're not using a calculator that works with fractions, first thing we could do is we could change them to decimals. So we have 5 over 4 is equal to y minus 1/4. Well, 5 over 4 we should be able to find as 1.25 because it's 1 and 1/4, and this is going to be y, and then, sorry, minus 2, and then 0.25. So if we then add 0.25 here and add 0.25 here, we end up at 1.5 is equal to y, which is the same as 3 over 2. And let's just check to see if they'll accept the decimal version of this. I'm sure they probably will. So we go 1.5, and we check our answer, and we're good. Okay, so as long as we have an equivalent thing, we're good in simplest form. That means if you are more comfortable using decimals, we can convert these into decimals and then do it that way, or we can just keep using our fractions.